I am Vikram Singh from New Zealand, and I take the opportunity to share my views on 40 long years progressive journey of Minhajul Quran International, founded by Sheikhul Islam Dr. Muhammad Tahir al-Qadri. And on this 40th founding day, I congratulate and salam all members associated and working with it. For any great work, the first thing is an idea which is born in mind, and great people translate the idea into reality. For such great tasks, the personality of founder, apart from preconditions and contradictions, play an important role. In 1970s, after having a deep analysis of contemporary socio-religious and political situations prevailing in the society, a young religious scholar in his college days developed an idea to found a welfare organization, and that not to be limited to certain geographical boundaries. And it was purposed to serve the humanity irrespective of state, religion, caste, gender, or tribe, and preach the people true and moderate teachings of Islam. This was what exactly his worldwide vision. Thus, Minhajul Quran International, a non-governmental organization, was founded by Sheikhul Islam on 17th October 1980, and with its establishment, the dream of true Islamic studies and discourses became a reality. Subsequently, in 1981, Majlis-e Amila and Markazi Majlis-e Shura also came into existence, and all this work could not have been done without untiring efforts of Sheikhul Islam. The main motive of Sheikhul Islam behind launching this movement was to interpret philosophy of Islam in a truthful manner and enlighten the Islamic world in general and the Muslims in Indian subcontinent in particular. Minhajul Quran International was also purposed to serve humanity and work for the society, create interest for knowledge, character building, correct approach towards the reality of life and religion. All such are the ideal teachings of Quran Majid. In modern day society, it is a common belief that religious and modern education are two different streams of knowledge. But it is not true to its fullest extent, and Sheikhul Islam has very well abolished such wrong notions and has proved that Islamic studies, Islamic teachings are fully capable in solving modern day problems. During my visit to Minhaj University and Markazi Center in Lahore in 2019 for an international conference, it was interesting to note the revolutionary change in the life of the people associated with Sheikhul Islam and Minhajul Quran International. They have been able to abstain from narrow-mindedness and started adopting the concept of universal love and peace. It has also been observed that all people associated with Minhajul Quran International forums and platforms, whether they are women working with Sister League, students, ulema, or people associated with Minhaj Welfare Foundation, what was noted that the common thing was amongst them that all people were found not to be careless towards their religion and towards their goal. As part of his contribution towards society, apart from his other works, Sheikhul Islam has authored Encyclopedia of Quran in 8 volumes, and this encyclopedia covers different subjects like inheritance, marriage, and other socio-religious issues in Islam. Similarly, another encyclopedia on Hadith in 42 volumes have also been authored by Sheikhul Islam on same pattern. These two works of Shaykhul Islam will definitely work as reference books in the Islamic world in coming days. Once again, I congratulate Shaykhul Islam, Dr. Muhammad Taharul Qadri, and other members on this 40th founding day of Minhaj ul Quran International, with a pray to Allah the Almighty to shower His blessings, the rahmat, on Shaykhul Islam to work for a healthy and tolerant society. Ameen.